Hello everyone, behind me is a 69 Camaro. This thing's got 350 V8 under the hood. It's got power disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, steering wheel, seats, a whole bunch of cool stuff. Come along, we're gonna give you guys the grand tour of this new arrival, show you the ins and outs, go for a drive, and just take it all in. This is a real pretty car. Kicking things off in the front end. It's aligned well, it looks very sharp. We know this car was restored in the year 2000, and it's really just been well kept since. The paint is in rather good shape. When I look at this nose cone, I know it was taking the blunt of the blow when it comes to the road debris. It's clean. I found one spot of touch-up up over here, but it blends in, and from more than a foot away, you don't really notice it. Our grill's all in nice shape. Our chrome bumper's looking good. Our lower chin splitter looks nice and tough. Hood release right through the grill. Nice functional cowl hood. There's the correct air cleaner base on it and everything. This was a replacement motor. It's not the original one, but it's correct for what this car would have had. And you see we have our factory air conditioning component still on the firewall. We have a factory trim tag up on that firewall. Factory AC compressor, power steering, our power brake booster back there. That's the trifecta, I call it. It's got everything we know and love today. This thing's really a pleasure to drive. We'll show you how she closes on up. Seals up good. Look how it sits in between the fenders. Nice and even, good gaps. Love the hockey stripe on this thing. 350 badging, 15-inch chrome rallies. Come on. Got the right center caps, BFG radials. That's a 215/65 on a 15-inch wheel once more. Nice power disc brakes behind it. Our door, our fender, our cowl, our hood, it's all fitting up well, as is the molding around this piece of glass, which from what I can tell is free of chips, free of cracks. Clap for that. Next up, we have a nice mirror that's free of pitting. We've got nice crisp edges on our door, good gaps, great hips on the 69. Such a gorgeous car. Every angle you look at this thing, it's just cool. It's hot. The rear end's one of my favorites. Nice tail lamps. These look like they've been replaced at some point. Nice SS badging. The chrome finish on the bumpers, everything you could hope for. And we have the spoiler on here, also finished in body color, which looks sharp. Let me pop this trunk for you. Smooth action on our deck lid. Nice clean trunk mat. We've got a spare jack and wrench, and we do have a power antenna over here. It's a pretty trick. Looks like factory trunk pan, factory wheel tubs. Seals up like a glove too. Nice and straight bodywork down this car. Don't see any waves. Looks rather nice over here. Wheel arch molding looks good. I told you the tire size up front. Out back it's a little bit fatter. Now we've got a 245/60 R15. Good gaps, sharp looking glass. Good looking badging, wheel caps again. All the way around this thing, it's rather stout, rather nice. Like I noted earlier, very minor paint blemishes, a spot of touch up on the nose. Doors open up very well. Inner door edges are nice and clean, no mud packed in there. A sign of a nice dry car. Seats are in good condition. There is a little bit of fray over here on the driver's side, very minor. Gauge pack looks rather nice and bright. 49,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful wood grain. Over on the right hand side we got a fuel gauge, a couple other warning lights down throughout here, which kind of neat. Upgraded radio in the factory location. Looks like it's got AM, FM, and a tape deck. Console shifted. TH350, it's a 3-speed automatic. Carpet kit in this car is very nice. The dash pad is free of cracks. Our factory AC vents here all look good. Got our ashtray and cigarette lighter. We got a nice, clean, simple glove box with the owner's manual. Always nice to have one of those. Looking out back, carpet kit matches. Seat covers in great shape. Inner card's in great shape. Sail panel's nice and taut. On our package tray, we've got a couple of speakers added. All the molding around the glass is present. The glass itself looks good. All the fasteners and everything's there like it's supposed to. Functional dome lamp, factory shoulder belts with the 1969 date code on them. That tells you they're original to this car. right, nice little head unit in here. A couple of speakers out back doing their thing. Chevy brother. This car feels smooth, it's shifting nicely, the motor's running like a top. These power brakes feel good. Stopping this car evenly too, that's always nice. Straight off from the stop. Just shifted second. We'll lean into this pedal a little bit. Now into third. This is like a quarter throttle. Car's rolling real nice down the road. Speedo says we're doing 55, I believe it. Fuel gauge says we're doing good too. All right, we know the radio works good. See if we can't cool ourselves down a little bit. AC on. Starting to cool down, we'll leave that rolling. Coming into this turn with a little speed. Nothing loading up or clunking. Radial tires will do a lot for one of these old cars. That's a choice upgrade. I think anybody can jump in and enjoy this car. No crazy quirks to get to know. Hit the key, jump in it, and roll. And it seems to really like doing it. Pleasure showing you guys around this car. This thing is very handsome and very well equipped. I think it's really easy on the eyes. I love the options. Great driver, great car for somebody. A couple things to share with you. One, if you want to know more about it, you can call us up anytime. The number is 248-714-2110. If you don't have a phone and want to email, it's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Just messing around either is good. And so you know too, we put a link down in the description of this video to view the full listing on our website. That's where you can find over 100 pictures, pictures of it high, pictures of it low, pictures underneath it, pictures all the way around it, and a breakdown of what we know, where it's been, what has been done. Thank you guys for watching. While you're down there clicking, if you liked the video, give it a like for us and subscribe. That not only helps us out, we appreciate it, but it gets these cars in front of you first, which ain't a bad thing because we sell a lot of cars off YouTube, believe it or not. Kind of surprising, it's the year 2025. Thank you guys. Have fun, enjoy a car. Bye. Did I just put you in a trance, dog? What?